Hello kids, how are you all? Good? Great. So kids, hope you all are doing studies at your home, right? So take out your English discovering books and open your books at page number 133. Today we will start chapter number 9, Nema and the Ghost. Ghost means bhoot. So in this chapter, we will learn that we should always respect each other. We should respect everyone because respect creates a very happy environment everywhere. So let us start the chapter. Nema and the Ghost. As you can see in this picture that this is the girl Nema which has been given in the chapter, and he is her grandfather. She is the maid. So let's start the chapter now. Nema walked into her nice red and white building. From the corner of her eyes, she saw the guard. The guard said, "Hello Nema beta." The girl Nema entered him in her red and white building. From the corner, this is the corner, from the corner of her eyes, she saw guard uncle. Guard uncle wished her, "Hello Nema beta," but the girl didn't reply to him. He just moved from there. She just moved from there. So turn the page and come on to page number 133. But she did not look at his face. She saw grandpa sitting in the balcony. The girl Nema didn't reply to the guard uncle and she just went to her grandfather who was sitting in the balcony. "Dadaji," she smiled and sat with him. "I'm thirsty," she said. She could see the maid in the kitchen. She went to grandfather. She sat with him and said that she is thirsty. She could see the maid. She saw the maid who was sitting in the kitchen, She called the maid. "Oi," she shouted, "I want some water." The maid brought a glass of water. Nema took it without looking at her. When she called the maid, she just shouted, "Oi, come here, bring one glass of water for me." Then the maid brought a glass of water. Nema took it, but she didn't look at the face of the maid. Nema's father asked her gently, "Nema, don't you know her name?" Nema's grandfather asked her that, "Don't you know her name?" Nema looked surprised. "No, Dadaji, I never asked." That girl Nema has never asked the name of the maid. So she was just calling "Oe" to her. "Do you know the name of the lady who cleans the house?" Nema thought for a bit. "No," she replied. Her grandfather asked to Nema that, "Do you know the name of the lady who is cleaning our house?" She thought for a bit. She thought for a little time. Then she replied, "No, she doesn't know the name of the maid." "You were angry with her in the morning." The grandfather asked her that in the morning you were angry on the lady. You don't know her name. "Yes, she dropped my doll while dusting." She said that she dropped my doll while dusting it, so I was getting angry. So the girl was getting angry on the maid because she dropped her doll. "What about the guard?" Her grandfather, Nema's grandfather, asked her that, "What about the guard? Do you know what he looks like?" He asked her that, "Do you know how he looks like?" "He says hello to you every day." "No, I don't, Dadaji. Does it matter?" Dadaji asked to Nema that the guard uncle used to wish you hello every day, but you never reply to him. Nema asked to grandfather that, "Does it matter if I don't reply him? "Everyone matters," her grandfather replied. "Every person, all you have to do is smile and call them by their name. Talk nicely to everyone. It's called respect." Her grandfather taught her that to everyone you should speak properly, you should treat respectfully, you should should call them by their names. This is called respect. I respect them, Grandpa said to Nema. Her grandfather said to Nema that I respect everyone and you should also respect them. If you don't talk to them nicely, they don't respect them. You don't respect them. If you will not call them by their names, then you will not respect them. Nema did not like what her grandfather said. She did not think it was important. Nema woke up in the next morning. Her grandfather told her that she should behave properly, she should respect the maid and the guard uncle. But the Nema thought that it is not an important thing to call them by their names and to give respect to them. But when in the next morning, when she woke up, she was eating her breakfast when she saw the maid. When she saw the maid, Nema was having her breakfast. The maid was a ghost. The maid was a ghost. This is a trick, said Nema. Grandpa is doing this. When she was having breakfast, she saw the maid and she was a ghost. Nema thought that this is a trick of grandfather who is doing all this. Come on to page number 135. So she smiled and went to school. When she saw the ghost, she saw the maid, she was thinking that this is all trick of grandfather. So she smiled at her and she went to school. The guard said, "Hello Nema beta." Nema looked at him for the first time. When the guard said hello to her, she looked at her for the first time. He was also a ghost. The guard was also a ghost. The bus driver was a ghost. Everyone who was coming in her way, they were ghosts. The person who cleaned the schoolyard was a ghost. The person who cleans the schoolyard, he was also a ghost. Nema was scared now. Nema was scared now. Nema was very scared. Scared means डरी हुई. She started running. She ran as fast as she could. She started running very fastly from there, as much as she can. Someone touched her hand. Someone touched her hand. Nema screamed loudly. Nema, when someone touched her hand, she shouted very loudly. Then she heard her mother's voice. Nema, time for school. When her mother touched her hand, it was Nema's mother. When someone has touched her hand, she woke up. She woke up and she screamed loudly. She shouted loudly and she saw that it was her mother. She said that it's time to go to school. Nema opened her eyes. She had been dreaming. Nema opened her eyes and she thought that she is dreaming. She hugged her mother. "I will respect everyone now, Mama." She said to her mother that now I will respect everyone. Her mother looked surprised. Her mother was looking very surprised after hearing this, that Nema will respect everyone now. Nema took her lunchbox from the maid and said, "Thank you, Meenu Didi." Nema took lunch from the maid and she said, "Thank you, Meenu Didi." Now she had started calling the maid by her name. She looked at the guard. She smiled and said, "Good morning, Anil uncle." Now she treated the guard also very nicely, in a very good manner. So she said good morning to Anil uncle, to the guard. After that day, Nema never forgot anyone's name. After that day, she always used to call everyone by their name. She never forgot anyone's name. She would smile and thank each person. She always smile and say thank to everyone. Everyone loved her. Everyone started loving her when she started giving respect to everyone. They all spoke nicely to her. She had learned how to respect them. Everyone spoke nicely to her and now she has learned that she should respect everyone. This is the chapter all about that we should always respect everyone, whether he or she is younger to us, because respectful behavior creates good environment, happy environment. So our chapter gets over here. We will do the work in the book. Till then, bye bye. Have a safe and happy day.